I love my home garden and I love gardening, but it takes a lot of time and effort to maintain a beautiful garden. Even children do not like gardening because it involves a lot of stinky and messy fertilizers. Introducing the complete garden nutrition kit from the Organic Story, which has 6 products. If I'm going for a vacation with my family for 10 days, I don't have to worry about my plants because I have Nutrilog. If I use one tablet of Nutrilog, it will form jelly in plant soil and it will provide water to my plants for next 7 to 10 days. Next is NutriBoost, which is responsible for the healthy growth of your plant. It has spirulina, seaweed and amino acids which make your plants more healthy and green. Next is NutriSoil. It increases the root mass of the plant and makes soil healthy. Healthy soil is the key to healthy plants. Next on the list is NutriFood. NutriFood has a balanced mixture of NPK and micronutrients for your plant. It is a perfect balanced food for your healthy plants. It is extremely easy to use these tablets. Just drop one tablet near the root zone of the plant. Cover it with soil and water the plant as usual. If I want my home gardens to be full of beautiful colored flowers, I use NutriFlower. It is very easy to use NutriFlower. Just drop one tablet of NutriFlower in 500 ml of water. Because it's effervescent, it will dissolve quickly. Just transfer this solution to a spray bottle and spray on the plants. Last but not the least is NutriGuard. NutriGuard is made from neem extracts and is environment friendly. It ensures that my plants are not attacked by any pests or bacteria. And the usage is same as NutriFlower. This is the gardening kit from the Organic Story. We have an expertise of more than 20 years in plant nutrition management. And we have developed this innovative product especially to ensure that your plants grow to their full genetic potential. And also, it is very easy to use. It does not involve any time and attention. This complete kit is the solution to all my gardening problems. We want to make sure that this innovative and easy to use product reaches to the masses and reaches all over the world. We are looking for distributors in your country. Do write to us for dealership and retail rate inquiries on the below mentioned email. We would be very glad to provide you with all the details from this innovative kit. Thank you.